So here we are on our little walkway, our trail right by our apartment building and along Highway 26 here in Portland.
Sunset Highway.
Yeah. How you doing there, Angel?
I'm okay.
How's the weather feel to you?
Chilly.
Yeah, it's a little chilly, but it's not bad, right? Oh, watch out, Angel! Angel, what did we say about that?
What happens when I don't.
What happened?
It's what happens when I don't pay attention.
Okay, well, we gotta pay attention, don't we? I want to show you guys something, okay? What happened there to Angel? This joystick that she's moving around is incredibly sensitive, okay? It's incredibly sensitive. And the slightest jerk on it will send the chair spinning, okay? Which is why we walk on this side of the path, see? Because if we walk on this side of the path and that joystick jerks, Angel will fall over this edge and down into the highway, see? So we always walk on this side, right, Angel?
I would hit the edge of the sidewalk, my chair would tilt and my weight would roll me down the hill into the freeway.
Right.
So it's safer for me to stay